Xin chào, ni hao, hello and welcome to my channel with Mom Cooking. Today we will make an amazing dish from Korean called Bulgogi. So we will need garlic, butter, onion, white onion, sugar, some soy sauce and hoisin, honey, sriracha, Korean BBQ, and we will use some tender beef marinade overnight. So let's start cooking. I will put some butter inside the pan. You will need 1 tablespoon. And then some garlic. You just need 1 clove. And some white onion. I weigh about 2 ounces. But I will write out everything below my video so you follow it. Come out really good. You will love this recipe. You stir fry the garlic and onion in the butter. Then you put the hoisin and the soy sauce inside. And you put 1 teaspoon of sugar, honey, sriracha, and this one, the Korean BBQ sauce. Last, when almost done, we can put inside. And then we will use 1 teaspoon of sesame oil.
I fed the cats.
Yeah, my son feed the cat, so the cat hungry. So we will saute garlic, onion on the sauce and the sugar. Smell really amazing now. The meat you marinate overnight. I use 3 tablespoons of Korean BBQ sauce and ginger, black pepper, garlic. That's all. But when you're done, come out the flavor like really beautiful. So after we saute onion, garlic, brown, so we put the beef inside. We have 1 left. Smell really good. If you haven't tried bulgogi, you have to try this recipe because it's really good. You will love it. You can eat bulgogi with rice. And if you don't know how to cook rice, I have the recipes how to cook rice, so check out. And I make some kimchi to eat with bulgogi, but future I will make the video too. And bulgogi, you have to choose tender beef because we just stir fry. We not like simmer or cook like soup. So don't give like steel beef or something. Maybe your beef will really hard to eat. Yeah, we almost done. Crisp but really yummy. And if you love sushi or a sushi rice bowl, I I will make a video to show you how to make um, a sushi rice bowls easy and fancy. Like you can bake at night and bring to work tomorrow. So the sushi bowl will fill your stomach. You can like full all day long and really easy to eat. Smells so good. I am ready for the big bowl of rice. We almost done. I go get rice and kimchi ready, so I put on the plate for you see. I get rice ready. I have some kimchi I made yesterday. And then, let me see. I just chopped it. Oh, I almost done, so I turn low. And get the kimchi out. Smell good. And now we put the barbecue sauce inside. Extra flavor. Oh, now done. You can see it. I will ring what you see. Beautiful. Oh. Put it here. Turn up the heat. Yes. This one here. And then some sesame seed. Look amazing. You will love my recipes. Look. Super yummy. And now I will get some out. Let's see. Look. So hopefully you check out my recipes because this is really good, and I will write out anything below my video, So you just follow correct amount I put on there. And thank you for watching. I really appreciate for your time and your support. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.